beauty gang, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anihja Ra'zheem. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new. Make sure you go ahead and hit your post notification bell so you can be updated on new and upcoming videos. So as you guys can see by the title, this will be another collab video featuring Supernova Hair. I am so excited about this review. They have sent me a headband wig. Now this is their human hair curly. It looks like a deep curl headband wig, and this is just how it looks. This is the headband attached to it. Let's see, there are a couple combs here. There is 3 combs in the front, and there's 2 combs also down at the bottom in the back right here, depending on how your hair is done. Me, I have braids actually, but I have some baby hairs out on, you know, on the sides and in the front, so I laid those down, and then what I'm going to do is just put the headband over it. I don't think that I needed to wear a cap necessarily. I don't know what the point would be. Well, to protect my braids, but I don't know, for this I don't feel like I need to wear a wig cap. So yeah, this is 26 inches as well, and it also looks true to length without me even having to like peep it and be like, this is not 26 inches. But yeah, so I could definitely appreciate that. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit, and yeah, we're gonna see how this looks. You guys can see, this was a quick and easy install. I can't tell y'all how happy I am that I finally got a headband wig. Like, I'm telling you, it's a thing now. It's like the hat wigs, the headband wigs. It's like, that's like the smartest thing like you could come up with. Like, you know what I'm saying? So with this wig, like, it is so soft, you guys. It is so soft. Like, oh my god. Oh. And it's true to length. Like, let me say that again. I can appreciate a company, a hair company, especially a hair company that sends me hair that I'm working with, collabing with, that sends me hair that is true to length. When I did get the wig, of course, they did their thing with the headbands. They didn't only just give me a wig with a headband, a human hair wig with a headband. They gave me, of course, as you guys see on the last video, they gave me the Supernova head wrap. So this is what you, of course, will put around your edges. And then not only did they give me that, they gave me some headbands. So I have this headband here. I have this headband as well, really cute, and then I have a red one. So I have a couple of choices, so if I want to go ahead and switch it up, these are the headbands that I could use. Black is of course my color, but you never know. So this is the diamond headband that they gave me, y'all. So it's just a black headband, but it got diamonds all over it. So this one I will most definitely be wearing. And of course they gave me some wig caps. Can't go wrong with the wig caps. She needs plenty. And then of course they gave me the Supernova bag. So I'm just gonna go ahead real quick and just put all this stuff in the bag. I think this really comes in handy, y'all. Like, it's very smart. Like, because I just feel like Supernova, they do their thing when they give you hair. Like, when they're sending you hair, like even with me collabing with them, like they're gonna send you stuff. So like in the bag, it just comes in handy with all the stuff that they give you. So you guys, again, the hair is super duper soft, super bouncy. When I washed the hair, it did shed just a little bit. Some of the hair did come out like towards the ends, but it wasn't any type of major shedding. The wig, surprisingly, it didn't take that long to air dry. I washed it the same day that I was about to actually install it. But the good thing is when it's like a deep curly or a wavy curly type of wig, you really can just, like, you don't really have to wait totally until it's dry because it's already curly or already wavy. So that's a good thing. One thing I will say is when you put this headband wig on, you guys, like, I undid the headband and it was kind of like difficult for me to like strap it on in the back because my hair was getting caught. So if you want to do it that way, just put your head down and put the wig on, because that's the only way you're going to be able to do it, because it's going to be hair that's going to get caught in it. I don't even want to mess with it no more because I don't want to go through that again. So yeah, that would be the only thing about it. As far as the headband though, like the one that they gave me, the diamond one, I'm not really sure. I don't know if I'm just gonna put that over the headband because I don't think this detaches. I don't think it detaches or anything. So with this headband, like, you don't have to lay down your baby hairs like I did. I just decided that I wanted to just do a look. I didn't want y'all to just see forehead. So yeah, I laid down my baby hairs. I actually laid them down like really, really good. So you can either do that look or you can just put the headband over it. Like, this wig does come in handy. So if you feel like you don't want to do too much or you feel like you want to do a look, you can do both. I will say you don't have to put product in this hair. I'm not one that usually puts product in the hair. I'm probably gonna end up spraying it just a little more. I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. Cause you could put mousse in it, and you could also like just spray water in it. This wig does not need any major like maintenance or anything. So I think the water is actually way better than the mousse. Yeah, so either or. But y'all, I think the water is just better. Just spray some water on this mug and you got it. Now, as far as the unit, I do think you can, like, if you want to move it over to the side, you want to move it over to the other side, you could definitely go ahead and do that. I'm just a middle part girl. Like, I gotta have some type of look that look like a middle part. So yeah, I just sprayed my Tresemme spray in there and just tried to hold up this part and have a little look to go over it. But you could pretty much, if you want to do like a different type of look, you want it to be flat down, you could definitely go ahead and do that as well. This wig you could purchase on Supernova's website. I will have this information down in the description box below, so you guys can definitely check out this information. Y'all, this wig is a must-have. It is perfect. This wig, you could purchase it for $293. I do feel like it's worth every penny to purchase it for. This wig comes in handy. It's definitely a get up and go wig. You can also style it and go out with it if you want to give it a look. Like, this is perfect. Like, I don't have any cons about this wig. As far as the way the wig fits, it does fit very well as well. Like, I feel like this is just an all-purpose type of wig. They customized it perfectly. Supernova, y'all did y'all thing with this. This is perfect. So yes, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the information in my description box. I am so happy about this wig, you guys. It is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you can stay updated on new and upcoming videos. Like this video, comment below, let me know what you guys think of this unit, share, and I will see you guys on my next video.